Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I'm excited to see you here today. In this video, I am sharing with you I would say the freshening spray, but I would call this video the car freshening spray because honestly, I love when it smells, good in the car, when it's kind of like uplifting. It makes you move better, especially if you're staying in the traffic. So you could do something for yourself, for your nerves, right? But unfortunately, you should know that most of the commercial car fresheners, they are not healthy and they even might cause cancer, believe it or not. So the natural option with the essential oils is like the best option. So I'm going to give you the recipe for the regular spray bottle. This is the 2-ounce spray bottle. You could of course, double the recipe if you want to. You could use it as a room freshener as well. So whatever you guys want to use it for. So I'm going to use this particular one in the car. The recipe is very easy to make, really effortless, I would say. So you would need to get a glass bottle, preferably the dark color like blue or amber colored bottle, and then you fill it up with water almost until the top, because you would need to put the essential oils and also the alcohol. So I would put vodka here today, but that's the main goal here is we need to disperse the oils, because when you put them in the water, that's actually fine for the really easy peasy freshener. You just shake it every time you're gonna use it, but I prefer adding vodka because I find it works better. Probably stores better too. So for the 2-ounce bottle, we shall need only half a teaspoon of water. You could first combine the vodka with essential oils. So this is my half a teaspoon, so I'm going to fill it up and put it in the bottle nicely so I don't really spit it all over. And I even succeeded in doing so. And now the essential oils. Well, the variety of the blends you could use for your fresheners is just endless. I could just give you a few. One of my favorites is when we use lavender, when we use lemon, when we use orange, right? These 3 oils. Today, I actually was thinking for a long time, what should I do? And I thought I'm going to use the sweet orange and peppermint. As far as the amount, we'll need the 24 drops total for this amount. So then I'd say I use 12 of this, and maybe even I'll use 14 of the orange and 10 of the peppermint. So that's what I'm going to use right now. So if you're going to use lavender, lemon, and orange, you just divide 24 by 3. Somehow there is also another great option of using tea tree oil and lemon essential oil. Perhaps when you want to use orange sweet oil, a good combination will be the clove essential oil as well. So now let me count 14 drops of orange oil. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, the smell is like I've just opened, I don't know, 10 pounds of oranges. So 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, a good tip when you're preparing anything on the camera, you should look not in the camera when you're pouring the oils, but actually do it. So, and this is it. I would need to probably add a little more water, but that's totally fine. And then because it's a spray bottle, I will just need to close it up. And it's done. Believe it or not, so simple. Every time before spraying, you just shake the bottle, you close it up, and you enjoy. Let me just see what happened. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a very good combination. And I would just share with you something I wanted to share with you. The good combination I've recently come up with on my own. I'm always proud of things when I come up on my own with different oils, smelling good together. And this would be the eucalyptus oil together with the orange oil. You put the orange oil, maybe even a little less than the eucalyptus, and it's just amazing. I do this in the diffuser blend in the kitchen right now. My kid has some congestion, and actually, honestly, me too. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it with me in the car. And I would enjoy next time I'm going to drive. If you guys like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. I wish you to be happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.